How to archive conversation on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to archive conversation on Truecaller. First, open Truecaller, and here just select any conversation you want, like Spotify. Hold on it. Now click this icon here, archive. Here is it. Click on it, and that's it. Now conversation is archived, and here we'll find it. Click these 3 points, click archived conversations, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.